All right, so that's it. I completed my goal. Got it running in under 20. Got it swapped in under 24 hours. I didn't say running. I just said swap, but I did the extra mile, and it's almost drivable. So got to put the wheels on, get shit out of the way, add the Freon to it, and see what's up. But part 9 will be when I drive this thing, so stay tuned. It's gonna be later today. I got somewhere to go. But yo, thanks for watching. Appreciate the support, and stay tuned for more.